Welcome to Alvinsa Studio, where innovation meets home. Today we're excited to introduce you to an extraordinary blend of modern design and sustainable living, the 1,300 square foot 3-bedroom shipping container home, located in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Own a jaw-dropping, one-of-a-kind piece of art in the Jordan neighborhood. This is the first shipping container house in Minneapolis, and Paragon Designs was the mastermind behind the artful design and its construction. The shipping container house, sitting high on a corner lot, will stop anyone in their tracks and have them begging to see inside. Within those metal walls, you'll see a shipping container home filled with light and unique features that highlight earthly elements: rock, tile and counters, wood, custom staircase and kitchen counters, and metal exposed walls of the shipping container. The builder had thoughtfully designed the doors of the shipping containers to support the entrances and upper-level decks for an outdoor enjoyment. Beyond the true beauty of this home, its owner will appreciate the fact that it is zero-energy ready. This showstopper is available to the right buyer that qualifies for the Minneapolis Homes Program. Dave Schiller of Paragon Designs is the builder and architect of what's considered to be a one-of-a-kind home in Minneapolis. The 3-bed, 2-bath house, constructed with old metal shipping containers, sits atop a hill on the 2400 block of Irving Avenue in North Minneapolis. There's significantly less lumber than a regular home, probably 40 to 50% less. Schiller is working with the Minneapolis Homes Program, which helps contractors build affordable homes. And in a community where new builds are rare, this house stands out. Schiller used 5 giant shipping containers to build the shipping container home, which he says took about 6 months to construct. Realtor Amber Steiner is now trying to find the right match for the unique space. They have your master closet, and then your master bedroom with all the natural light. It's beautiful, definitely spacious. The first Minneapolis shipping container home is listed at $280,000. Shipping containers are no longer just used to move goods from one place to another. A house built with shipping containers in Minnesota will make its home in North Minneapolis, boasting a unique design that's providing much-needed affordable housing. A 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house is bringing something unique to Irving Avenue in North Minneapolis. This is the first shipping container home in the Twin Cities. They got 2 40-foot containers here and a 20-foot container over here. They added the 3rd container to give you that feeling of being in a spacious house. Designer and builder David Schiller believes a downstairs bathroom and bedroom allow new residents to spread out. He had a vision, he put it to life, and definitely shows the passion behind each of the materials he put inside the home. From the tiles, from the color scheme to the wood countertops, he wanted everything to be a draw. One of the things I like most about building with shipping containers is, what we did is, we utilized the doors of the shipping containers to make this balcony. The spacious Jack and Jill bathroom separates the 2 upstairs bedrooms that feature balconies. Lots of natural light floods both upstairs and downstairs. And outside, 10 apple trees planted to begin what Schiller calls the North Side Orchard. Realtor Amber Steiner believes this may be the first of its kind, but it won't be the last. There are plenty of lots around here, affordable lots, so why not take something like this that's unique and beautiful and put it on those lots? The metal, the stone, the true earthiness of it all, it stands out from all the other houses you see in the neighborhood. The Minnesota Housing Program helps contractors build affordable homes. Paragon Designs hopes to sell the shipping container home in Minneapolis in the low to mid $200,000 range. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the 1,300 square foot, 3-bedroom shipping container home in Minneapolis, Minnesota, brought to you by Alvinsa Studio. As we've seen, this home beautifully combines modern design with sustainable living, offering a spacious and stylish environment for urban living. At Alvinsa Studio, we are dedicated to pushing the boundaries of architecture, creating homes that are not only innovative but also environmentally friendly and functional. Stay tuned for more tours and insights into the world of cutting-edge home design and sustainable living. Until next time, may your home be filled with inspiration, comfort, and sustainability. Alvinsa Studio, where modern living meets innovative design.